Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Gallery or Google Photos app because that's where Android keeps a short-term trash. Once done, go straight to recently deleted or trash. Items often stay 30 to 60 days. If you find the screenshot, tap Restore. That returns it to the Screenshots album. If you don't see it, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that backup and sync were enabled. This explains why some images reappear automatically. Next, use a file manager to search directly in internal storage under Pictures right arrow screenshots. You can find files deleted from the gallery but still present on disk. Once you locate the PNG or JPG, move or copy it back to the screenshots folder so apps recognize it. If you use an SD card, make sure the card is mounted and browse its root directories. Sometimes screenshots get saved there by accident. Also, enable Show Hidden Files. Hidden images can be skipped by the gallery. Finally, if those steps fail, use recovery tools. Google Photos Restore or a reputable recovery app that performs a read-only scan because deleted files can be overwritten. Once found, recover to internal storage and confirm the screenshot previews correctly. If still missing, inspect cloud backups like Drive, OneDrive, or app-specific folders such as WhatsApp Media. If nothing works, stop using the phone to reduce overwrite risk. Make sure to enable airplane mode before running deeper recovery scans.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.